Hello traders, this is a technical analysis video for BNB coupled with a trading plan. So let's begin. Following the the American Security and Exchange Commission filing a lawsuit against Binance US and declaring it as security, declaring BNB as a security, BNB had a really nasty drop. %30, and it made the bottom at the 220 USD level. This is the range low, and the range high is at 252.5. The mid range is at 235. So if we look at the chart, what we see is a possible double bottom formation. Double bottom is a reversal pattern, right? First bottom 220, up to 257, down to 221, and it looks as if BNB is on the verge of a breakout out of this trading range. So we are traders, we see a double bottom and we want to trade it, right? Wrong. Why? Because the pattern BNB created during the drop is called a drop, base, drop. Base, drop. What does the drop, base, drop create? It creates a supply zone. What does the supply zone mean? If you look here at this green candle, green daily candle, many traders, or I don't know how many traders, but traders thought that this was the bottom and they bought BNB. And what happened to these traders now? They are in the red, and another drop. And more traders bought BNB here, and what happened to them? They are also in the red, and they are waiting. And another drop, another severe drop. So traders here lost money. Traders at this level also lost money. What will happen when BNB get to this level? Selling pressure, because they want to sell their bags and get out. So even if BNB does get out of this accumulation range, it moves out of the fire into the frying pan, out of the accumulation range immediately into the supply zone. And until this supply zone is depleted, BNB will have a hard time breaking out. So it's not a simple double bottom trade the way it looks. It's not as easy as it seems. So what do we do? First, I must be honest, you don't have to trade BNB. There are other trades, there are other coins that maybe they have better prospects. But let's say that you're a believer in BNB. You think that BNB has an amazing future ahead, that it can make a 10x from what it is today. I believe, by the way, I think it's true. I totally believe that. And you want to buy the bottom. Okay, good for you, good for me. Now what do we do? What do we do? First, we don't buy an asset when it's below resistance. I'll say again, we don't buy an asset when it's below resistance. We wait for the breakout. Okay? Once the breakout occurs, BNB will go out of the range high into the supply zone. This supply zone will act as a selling pressure, and we need to see the reaction. Will BNB hold the 252 level as support, or will it go below the range? If it goes below the range, maybe we will look for an opportunity to buy BNB for cheap. If it holds the 252 level as support and we see a reaction, continuation to the upside, we can buy. Okay? But you need to be forewarned, okay? It has a supply zone here. Once this supply zone is depleted, it has another supply zone at the 273 level until 280. So this will act as selling pressure as well. And we will see, we may see, we don't have to see, but it's probable that we will see another drop until this supply zone is depleted and will go up again, and it's not going to be an easy road back to the 300 level and to the 400 level. It's complicated, but remember that BNB can do anything. BNB is an amazing asset, in my opinion. So I will change this long, and I will give you my trading plan. Okay? My trading plan is as follows. First, wait for the breakout. Wait for the breakout, wait for the supply zone, and wait for a retest of the 252 level as support. Once you test it as support, you can go long. Okay? But remember that we have another supply zone at the 273 level. So maybe we take some profit at the 273 level or move the stop loss higher, okay? Move the stop loss higher to secure profit, okay? It's up to you what you do. You can take profit, you can move the stop loss, or you can do anything. It's your money, it's your decision, it's your life. Once this supply zone is depleted, I think it will be very easy for BNB to move up until the next resistance level at the 308 is the next resistance level, and we'll pick it up from there. God knows what tomorrow will bring. Now, there is another indicator that may be helpful. It's called the TTM squeeze indicator. I'm not going to get into the details of the TTM squeeze indicator. I will just explain what I would like to see in the TTM squeeze indicator. I would like to see positive bullish momentum. You see this light blue color and green dots. Once you see positive bullish momentum and green dots, it means that volatility is back to this asset and that this asset is leaving the range. The only problem with the TTM squeeze indicator is that it is a lagging indicator. So you cannot trust TTM squeeze in real time. Look here. BNB bottomed at the 264 level. You see this nice green candle, but the TTM squeeze still shows bearish momentum. Another green candle, bearish momentum is decreasing, but it's still showing bearish momentum. Once it shows bullish momentum and green candles, it's already, well, it's too late. So it's a lagging indicator. It could help you, but don't trade indicators, trade price action. Price is king, okay? Another thing that may serve as assistance is watch the volume candles. I would like to see such a volume candle, but a green volume candle. If we see that the volume candles are getting bigger and bigger, it's a good sign. So price and volume are the king and the queen of trading, and indicators, they are just the servants. They are the hired help, okay? Anyway, I hope this video helped. I wish you all the best success in everything in your life, including your trading journey or your investment journey. And I hope to see you in my next videos. Thank you very much and goodbye.